WWDC 2023 is officially one of the longest keynotes in Apple's history. It lasted more than 2 hours, and a big chunk of this time went to this one device, the Apple Vision Pro mixed reality headset. And it is everything you need to know about this amazing piece of hardware in just a couple of minutes. So what is the Vision Pro? It is a mixed reality headset that lets you interact with apps, watch movies, and play games in augmented reality. You can even adjust the level of transparency on the glasses to see more or less of what's around you. You don't need a controller to use it, just look at an app while wearing Vision Pro and it uses invisible LEDs and eye trackers to highlight the app for you. The screens in the Vision Pro are the size of a postage stamp but pack 27 million pixels. This means each of your eyes has a 4K TV fitted in front of it. But as realistic as it gets in video, it gets even crazier in audio. The Vision Pro gets a dedicated spatial audio engine that powers audio ray tracing. This means it maps the room around you and fine-tunes the audio to make it as realistic as possible. The headset is built out of a single piece of glass on the front, and for people like me who already wear glasses, Apple has partnered with Zeiss to create magnetic attachments for vision correction. And while it may look like a new thing, here are 5 features the Vision Pro borrows from across Apple products. Number 1. The perforations to keep it cool are taken from the cheese grater Mac Pro and Pro Display XDR's design. Number 2. It is packing an M2 chip from the Mac lineup to give it all the computing power it needs, and it has another R1 chip to process the tons of data from Vision Pro's cameras, mics, and sensors. Number 3. Almost all major iPhone and iPad apps will be optimized and available on the Vision Pro on the day of its launch. Number 4. It has Siri, which integrates it even deeper into the Apple ecosystem. Lastly, number 5 is evolution. Apple itself said that the Vision Pro is an evolution, just like the mouse was for the Mac, click wheel for the iPod, and touchscreen was for the iPhone. Apple is clearly betting big on the Vision Pro, and it is going to cost equally big. The headset is announced at a whopping $3,499, which is roughly 2,88,000 rupees. It will be available in the US starting next year, but big developers and companies like Disney and Unity are already working with Apple to optimize games, movies, and apps for the Vision Pro. Well, that's everything we know about the Apple Vision Pro, and now you also know it all. So like this video and share it with your friends and family so they also know about Apple's big future plans.